Welcome back. In this part 2 of ArcGIS using Python series, we will see how we can run ArcGIS library from our PyCharm IDL. Let's go back to PyCharm. Let's start by creating a new Python file. In my ArcGIS folder, press right click, new Python file. I'll name mine ArcGIS. Let's import ArcGIS library. If you don't already have installed ArcGIS library, you can always install it through terminal via pip install ArcGIS or through settings add library ArcGIS. Press install. From arcgis.gis import GIS. We will create a GIS variable which will be equal to GIS with capital letters, a map variable which is gonna be our GIS.map. All these are known from our previous video. The new part is that we have to create an HTML file. We're gonna create it by using map.export to HTML. It needs as inputs a path file and the name. I'm gonna use arcgis.html and it will be saved in the same folder as our Python script. Let's run our script. As you can see, an HTML file has been created here. Let's open this. Let's open it with Chrome in the upper right corner. As you can see, our ArcGIS map has been created with all the available options. Let's continue to our ArcGIS script. Now that we know how to create our HTML file, let's make our script run as a server to the HTML file. To do this, we will use the Flask library. I'm not gonna explain everything about Flask. There are plenty of tutorials out there you can check if you want to learn more. Let's import from Flask import Flask with capital F, also render template. Leave the rest as it is. We're gonna create a name which is equal to Flask, and also it has a variable called name. And then we're gonna create our ape.root. And let's define our function. Def index we're gonna copy all the commands, cut and paste. We're gonna return our template. What Flask do is search for a folder called templates and then return the name of the HTML file that we give to it as an input. I have named mine arcgis.html, and I have to create also the folder templates, and I have to save the HTML file to templates. We're ready. Now if name is equal to main, let's run our app.run. If everything is correct, run our script, it runs as a server. Everything seems fine. Now let's set debugger to true, so whenever we make any changes in our script, it will pass automatically by refreshing just the page. Debugger equals to true. I'll close this one, run again. Now if we change a part in our script, for example, set map to Germany, if I refresh the page, it automatically updates. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.